Is this thing recording? It's counting off numbers in seconds. Well, I shot a video, what, 14 hours ago? Today is 9/15, December 7. Alright, I got my truck tape. I'm at my truck. I got this toy here. Oh, I can't do this. I don't know if I, well, okay. No, I can't do this like this. And, well, okay. Okay, I can't play this because I'm shooting with this camera, which I just used. Well, maybe I can, let's try it. Let's, I don't know. I don't know if I get competing. Problem with you, no, I don't, what the hell? I don't want to pay. I don't even use that. I'm having too much fun. Okay, turn this on. Come on. And then I want cassette BT. Connecting. Okay, so it's connecting, alright. And then, if I get the thing here, put that in. You didn't see me put it in, but I guarantee it went in. So you hit play. And there we go. And then we go to VLC. Yeah, okay, it will work. Come on. And I want the SD card. Come on. There we go. And how about movies? Okay. Well. Oh, that's the whole movie. Here, wait, I'm having too much fun here. No, I want... Okay, you try and do all this. Okay, Top Gun Extended. So, and of course, if you run the volume up, where's the volume? It's on this side, this side. Okay. Anyway, so that works. Let me get out of this. Alright, let's try some music. Or, wait, let's do the boombox thing. Let's try the, where is it? Test of test sounds. There we go. That should be, well, we got it on tape. It's very shallow. Why is it so shallow? Supposed to be playing it loud, right? That's full blast. Anyway, so much for, okay, I'm having too much fun here with this. Like I said, I didn't bring my camera. That just doesn't work. Alright, here. And there's that, okay. I've had too much fun here. This is a cell phone video. I don't really ever do this, but there's all those two phones. This phone doesn't really have that good a sound, so let me hit stop on this. Hit eject. There we go. Take that out. Don't drop it. Okay. And then put this. What do we got? We don't know. This is the tape I keep in the truck. Oh, the batteries are dead. That's why. Well, it is playing. You rewind very slowly. Okay. Yeah. Battery's nearly dead in this thing, but it does work. It's really slow. Here, how about if I just turn it like that? Alright, well. Okay, so that's it. All the way out on the ground. Okay. What's at the tail end of this? Turn up the radio. I can't, yeah. So if I put this in, hit play. Well, okay, so it does work. I didn't bring a power cord with me. I didn't bring any of that. But I'm just out here, my truck, just pan around real fast. Okay, so too much fun. Gotta go. It's been 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.